Such a pretty storm. Too bad it's deadly. Supposedly a tornado touched down less than 20 minutes from my house at the old turnpike. What am I doing? Sitting on a doghouse in my backyard, watching it. Yeah, so like, if I turn it dead, it's because of a tornado. It looks so awesome. Too bad it's so bright on there. Here, look at there. It's all white and fluffy. Looks like summer. And then you go over there. There's the end of it! Ah, we're almost free! Kinda sucks, actually. Okay, back over to these ones. So boring. My neighbor's house. No more storm. It's all gone. So weird, look at that. All pretty and everything. So awesome! So all you can probably hear is my voice. Ooh, lightning, so pretty. I'm gonna die. Ha, with the red light. It's a pretty little red light. It's necessary to give you a commentary. Let's watch the lightning again, because it struck there like 4 times. I don't think it's going to this time. Oh, there it is, right after I said it won't. Look at that cloud. Thing. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of Aladdin.
So you bored yet?
No, the cloud looks like Aladdin.
It's funny, all that went over. Hey, we didn't get one over.
Look at that, you see it? It's like right there's the eye, the mouth. Over there's the other eye. You just got to see my lovely finger. What? I already got those ones. I was looking at the Aladdin cloud. Because I think the Aladdin cloud's gone now. I have 15 days till I graduate.
Yeah, but when's your last day of school?
4 days before that.
What date?
Ooh, that was pretty. June 3rd. And that's just the senior breakfast. I love how all the people of YouTube are eventually going to be hearing this. My Aladdin cloud's gone. We're going to go back to watching this spot after my mom and my neighbor were talking to me. What does my neighbor say? If there was a tornado, his wife would be carrying the TV downstairs. Now split that TV. It's over there. I am your daughter. Just remember that. I'm not my grandfather's child. It looks like he's coming back. Yoda. Jaja? One of them. It looks so awesome, and you get to be viewing this awesomeness with me. At the very end of the storm, with all the pretty lightning and stuff. Dude, I would so be a storm chaser. Wasn't for the fact that my mom and my boyfriend would probably kill me. Or my boyfriend's mom. One of the two. 3. 3 people, not 2. This is why I should be a storm chaser. I kinda have very horrible math skills. It's the tail end of the storm. It's so pretty nice. 5 minutes of storm. If you're still watching this, you must be very bored. I would document lovely Ohio weather. Dude, this is like in Warren. Just don't come like track me down and stalk me, okay? There's no more clouds over there, just darkness and trees and stuff. Except a little bit of clouds right there. Don't think they'll do anything. Okay, you have like 6 minutes of cloud cover on this video alone. I think you're gonna be good, basically, and if you're not, well, there's gonna be other cloud videos, so yeah, check those out. For now, though, see ya! Ooh, lightning.